A large number of Nigerian men are silently battling with quick release, some lasting less than 2 minutes in bed. This isn't just about shame or inability to perform bedroom duties. It's often linked to stress, low testosterone, poor blood flow, and mental pressure. If you're having quick ejaculation, worry no more because the solution is here. The solution to all your bedroom problems is Dogo, a 100% organic herbal capsule formulated from powerful African roots and rare Asian herbs blended under NAFDAC certified conditions. The most important advantage of using Dogo herbal capsule is that it doesn't just stimulate you temporarily. It fixes the root cause, it rebuilds stamina, it restores confidence. And best of all, most men start seeing results within just 7 days. So if you're tired of hiding your performance issues, maybe it's time to fix it naturally, confidently, discreetly. To get Dogo Herbal Capsule, contact Euphynova Natural Care via WhatsApp on 090-6353-2078. Click on the link below and get an amazing discount on the product. After using Dogo, you will say goodbye to weak erection and quick release.